Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to get a Halloween filter in TikTok. So it is easy, so please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, when you open TikTok, then you should have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom. After that, you should have to tap on the effects option. Once you tap on the effects, then you can choose it from here. You can see Halloween, so simply tap on this. If this option is not available here, then you should have to tap on the search option. Once you tap on the search, then type Halloween, and here you will see all the Halloween filters which are available in TikTok. So you can choose one of these. So that is method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.